Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to export the KML file into shapefile and also show you how to export a shapefile into KML file. So let's start. Okay, now you can see in the previous video I'll digitize in point, line and polygon. Now I want to export this KML file into a save file. So first of all you have to save it. I'll already show the how to save a KML file. Okay, now this is the partner. Okay, I'll write as a partner for saving the file. Then we have to go to the Qgis, then click on add vector. Okay, now click on the browse. This is the partner. Okay, the folder. Then click on open, then click on add. So I'll digitize in point, line and polygon, so it takes 3 layers on it. Close. You can see this is a point, this is a line, and this is polygon features. Now for exporting this KML file into save file, we have to export individually. Okay, now I export the polygon, right click on it, then click on export, then click on save feature as. You can see the format is KML. Now I have to change that format in easily save file. Okay, then give the file name, click on browse, go to your folder, then you can create also a new folder. Okay, now write as polygon. Okay, save, then click on OK. You can see this is the polygon that are created. Now you can remove this. I export the line features, export, then save feature as, then select the format, go to the file. You can see this is a save file created. Now this is a line, I write as a line, then click on save. You have to check the projection system also, then click on OK. You can see the line was created. You can go to the folder also. You can see this is the line, this is a polygon. It was on a save file. Okay, you can check the format also. You can see this is .shp or save file. In this process you can export the KML file into save file. Now I'll show you how to export a save file into KML file. Okay, now click on add polygon, select some data. This is some data. Click on open, add, close. This is a path of a list4 image. So this is a save file. I want to export this save file into a KML file. Now you can change the color of this. Double click on it, symbology, simple fill, go to outline, simple line as right, apply. So I already apply that things, that's why. Okay, now go to the layer, right click on it, then click on export, then click on save feature as. Now in this position, the format, I want to export the save file into KML file. Now select as KML. You can see this is keyhole markup language, the full form of KML. Give the file name, so I'll save it on here, that is KML _L 4. Okay, then click on save. Then you can choose the projection also, then click on OK. So it was exported in KML. Go to L4. You can see this is the KML file, KML L4. You can see the file type as KML. Now double click on it. See, this is the path row file. I'll export on KML. Okay, thank you for watching this video. For other update, please subscribe to my channel.